guys, Juuuuuuuulian here, back with another video. I forgot my name for a minute. Basically, I have a new account since my old one got hacked, so I have no kits or perks except the scout kit because I just started on it, and enchanter that I got that from the SkyWars scout I bought with coins. But I'm gonna be playing SkyWars with no kits or perks, so I'm throwing this default stuff away. So yeah, I'm playing with that because I can't think of any more video ideas. So yeah, hi guys. How's your day been going? And why am I talking to you like I can actually talk to you? You know what? I wish I had good internet where I could live stream. Look, I'm getting 84 ping right now. I usually get like 300 when I'm not recording. Oh crap, I wish I had speed right now. I'm glad he didn't get the kill, because if he had everyone has bulldozer, so if he had bulldozer. Oh crap, no. Oh my god, he probably has bulldozer. And I'm still going for him because I'm retarded. Oh my god, I'm doing good. Especially for no kits. Oh my god, I'm oh. I should try with no mods! I hate my life. Hey, I did good though. I did good. You guys, yeah, I did good. Balloon, are you a balloon? You tried to be OG, but that was taken, and you just wanted to be OG for once. So you just named yourself Falloon. Falloon! Boom, boom, cow, boom, boom, pow, cow, meow. I'm a boom cat. I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Help me, I'm mentally retarded. A couple of days ago, I was in the shower and I was just screeching like, "Mommy, your kid is mentally retarded!" And I think my dad came up to the shower, or the door. Of course, I locked the bathroom. He came up to the bathroom door and was like, "Are you okay?" He genuinely thought I wasn't okay. Noob. Ah! You're a noob! Ah! I hate you. You're a noob!
Dinner's almost done.
Okay.
Come out here for a dime.
Okay!
Please say that one more time.
Ah! I'm gonna record this. I'm gonna keep recording until my brother comes in here like, "You should have came out here!" Okay. I'm trying not to be boring. I'm gonna grab these. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go to the next island because I'm in a rush.